If you want to delete your Gmail account on your laptop or PC but you're not sure where the option is, this video will show you the exact steps you need to follow. I'll walk you through everything slowly and clearly, so you can delete your Gmail account safely without making any mistakes. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar videos like this one. So I've opened my main Gmail page on my computer, and let's delete it completely. Keep in mind, when you delete your Gmail account, you will lose all your emails, your inbox, and the ability to send or receive messages from that Gmail address. So tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and then manage your Google account. The next thing is to tap Delete in your search bar, which you see over the screen, and you will have the option to delete your entire Google account completely, or you can delete only one service, in this case, the Gmail only. Let's say I want to delete the whole account, and you're going to get to this page. You see what services are going to be deleted when you delete your account, and this process cannot be undone or reversed. So think twice before you click on the Delete Account button. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. S.